Ready, start. Pyara. Sir, today in our country, the biggest problem which requires solution at the top level and in the most urgent manner is the problem of population explosion. We are all aware that we are adding one Australia to India every year so far as increase in our population is concerned. In spite of our tremendous agricultural output, I do not think by 2000 we will be able to match the growth in our agricultural production with the exploding growth of population, and so far as the availability of houses, schools and other amenities which are required for our population is concerned, we will be lagging far behind. Even today, most of our economy and most of our budget allotment caters for building up infrastructure facilities only. This has resulted in stagnation of development of our country. I would suggest to the Honorable Minister some of the points which may go a long way to make our country or our society more aware of the necessity of controlling the population and making the family planning program of the government a success. Pyara. My first suggestion is that society's involvement should be more intensified today. Most of the family welfare and family planning programs are being made, executed and monitored by the government. My suggestion is that more and more non-government social organizations should be involved. The biggest hurdle in our country today is religion. Somehow we are still suffering a phobia of having a son, and in the search for a son, people produce a string of girls. Not that the girls are not welcome, but this is the philosophy of some of the religions. There are some religions where use of family planning devices is being condemned. There are some religions where abortion are supposed to be anti-religious. Pyara. So far as our villages are concerned, the family planning movement definitely desire to be intensified today. The rural areas and more urban oriented, we are having more family planning movements in the urban areas where the rich, the upper middle and the middle class live. We all know that in the class of society, people have taken family planning seriously and successfully so far as the family planning movement is concerned, but in villages we still require the necessity of having this movement intensified. The basic reason is that so far as poor people are concerned, the poor people living in the urban areas, they think that having a large number of children is an economic boon. Stop.